Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. Guys, I want to assist people, especially people in USA who cannot verify their account since DERIV does not support people of USA. So please guys, if you are in USA, you need help with verifying your DERIV account. I'm your guy, I am here. Recently I was helping another guy. It was heartbreaking because one of his account was closed by DERIV because he submitted false documents, and then they closed the account with over 10k. That is a lot. Please guys, don't allow yourself to be subjected to that. So I'll be helping people. If you are in USA, you need to verify your account, your DERIV account, the binary account. I'm your guy, just hit me. I'll leave my details below. I'll leave my WhatsApp number, I'll leave my Facebook, I'll leave my TikTok. You can also just leave your number there, and then I will assist you until your account is fully verified. I'm your guy, please. And then if you want to open a DERIV account, I'll also leave a link below. Use the link below since I affiliate with DERIV, and I believe all will go well. Please guys, don't allow yourself to be subjected to DERIV. They end up closing your account and so on. Just hit me, check me. I will make sure that your account is fully verified. Before I assist you, I'll make sure that I refer you to few people in USA whom I have assisted, and they will attest to what I am doing, and then we can do business together. Sharp guys.